Okay, today I'm going to show you how to utilize your emails to do the marketing because all of our suppliers send you emails that have the latest um deals. Okay, so there's Royal Caribbean. It gives you all the information. Let's see. All right. All right, Vacation Express gives you this deal, which I think we're going to use. So, what you can do is screenshot this. All right, you can click on it, figure out your city or closest international airport that you would want to do. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm-mm. All right. All right. So this is Pittsburgh. This is where I'm located. This tells me what the deals are. This tells me the different hotels that are available with the pricing. All right. Here's an adults only. Let's do this one. All right. Again, go to ChatGPT and let me move this out of the way. All right. So we're going to create a social media post for a Caribbean vacation package. Okay. All inclusive, adults only getaway. Adults only getaway. Up to six, oops, $600 in resort credits. It says it right here. Resort. Let's see, what else does it say up here? Redo some of that. Add in some of this. Pittsburgh, St. Lucia, Vacation Express, hotel only booking, accommodations. All right. And we'll just put all this in there because then ChatGPT can fix it and make it sound engaging. Make engaging and want people to book this vacation package. All right. So let's see what it says. And here's your call to action. Comment below who's joining you for this dream escape. Tag them and let's start planning. So that's your call to action. All right. So let's go into Canva. And you can either do like an Instagram post, a flyer. Let's see, there's all kinds of different things that we can do. We could do posters, Instagram story, Facebook post. Let's do the Facebook post. Now we can go to the design, type in travel. And then it has all of these different templates that you can use. So let's do this one. Also, there are free versions and paid versions. Anything that has a crown and says pro, you need to pay for. Anything that is free will not have the crown. Let me see. Did this have a crown on it? I don't know. Let me go back. Okay, this one had a crown on it. We can do. Okay, let's do this one. There we go. Okay, you can change out the photo. You could do elements. Let's do Saint Lucia. See what type of photos that they have. Oh, this is a cute one. Okay, that's pro. Let's see. All right, something that is not pro. Okay, you can also go to free photos. Oops, no, that's not what I want. Free photos. You can go to iStock. They have Pixabay, Unsplash. Let's see what this one has. I see what type of photos that they have. So these are not copyrighted. They are free for us to use. Okay, let's see. See what it says. And two. Just go to there. Let's see what type of photos that they have. Gallery. beach picture. Okay. We can use this one. Load. This is flipped all the way upside down now. There we go. Hmm. Mhm. Getaway. Let's see. All inclusive. So only. All right. So let's leave. Change it back to black. Do a shadow and outline. Different font. Do this in white. Change this font to black. Put your phone number. You can put your email. Step, step. What you can do is put this in your notes. All right. So if you have the free version, you can select download. It in. Oh, put all of that in there. You can hit post. It's going to post it. If you have your business page, you can also post it on your business page as well. So you can share this. Let's see. Share. You'll end up posting on there if you don't get the little pop-up. I have to add it to my page because I have to approve the tag. And then it should show up on here shortly. Okay, let me see.